Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem under simultaneous linear and quadratic equation. Let's look at how the question has been written so that we don't make mistake in the course of multiplying equation 1 by the coefficient of x or y of the equation 1 or 2. Is that okay? Now let's see. The first question goes thus. Number 1, 2x minus y equals to 8. That's equation 1. 3x plus y equals to 17. Equation 2. Now, what we need to do is to look at the equations and look at when you see that two coefficients of x in equation 1 and 2, they are not the same. But when you look at y, the coefficients of y and the coefficient of y in both equation 1 and 2 also, they are not the same because this is -1 and this is +1. They are not the same. We have to now multiply the equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. Okay, and when you also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. And if you like to pick that of y, you can multiply the coefficient of y, which is 1 plus 1. You say 1 times everything, and the equation 2 say -1 times everything, so that you now make sure the y they are the same. You cannot do your subtraction. Okay, now in this case, let me pick y. Now let me use y, multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, and the coefficient of y, it is the coefficient. Now the coefficient, we are going to see it later. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1. When you look at it, the coefficient of y in equation 2 is 1 plus 1, while the coefficient of y in equation 1 is -1. Again, the coefficient of y in equation 2 is +1, while the coefficient of y in equation 1 is -1. I want to use this coefficient, and our students can use x as the coefficient. You can use 3 as the coefficient of x and multiply 3 times everything, and use 2 to multiply everything, but I'm picking coefficient of y. Now let's do it as +1 times 2x minus y equals to 8. That's equation 1. I will not say minus 1 now. Minus 1 times 3x plus y equals to 17. Question 2. Just be careful when you're solving this simultaneous equation so I don't make mistake. 1 times 2x as 2x minus y equals 8. That's equation 3. Minus 1 times 3x as minus 3x minus times positive, that's minus y equals minus 17. Equation 4. You can now say this case subtract equation. I put negative here. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Okay. Now when you are doing that, now have 2x minus 3x. Okay, let's now see minus y. Come here, pick this and come here. Minus y equals 8 minus 17. Become 2x plus minus negative and negative is positive plus 3x minus y plus y, okay, equals 8 plus 17. This will cancel out. You have 5x equals 17 plus 8, that's 25. Divide both sides by 5. 5 cancel 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 5. Now, therefore, our x equals to 5. Now say substitute x equals to 5 in equation. Let's pick equation 1. Another person can pick equation 2. We still get the same answer in equation 1. Now 2 into our x is 5 minus y equals 8. That's 10. 2 times 5 is 10 minus y equals to 8. Let's collect the items. Let's y go to the other side. 10 minus 8. 8 return to negative equals to y. 2 equals to y. Therefore, our y equals to 2. Now that's it. X is 5 and y is 2. X is 5 and y is 2. Okay, now let's solve the second question. The second question is 2x plus 3y equals to 10. Equation 1. I having 2x plus y equals to 2. Equation 2. This is equation 2. Now you can see that the coefficients of x, they are the same. You can now say subtract. You don't need to multiply equation 2 by a coefficient of 2. You don't need to multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1, and likewise you don't need to do it because they are both the same. Just subtract. Let's put negative. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, in that case you now have 2x minus 2x plus 3y minus y equals 10 minus 2. This will cancel out. We are left with 3y minus y equals 10 minus 2, that's 8. 2y, 3y minus y is 2y equals to 8. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2, 2 1, 2 4. Therefore, our y equals to 4. You can now substitute in any of the equation. You can substitute in any of these two equations and pick equation 1. Substitute y equals to 4 in equation 1. In that case, you're having 2x plus 3, our y is 4, equals to 10. Now you're having 2x plus 12 equals to 10. 2x equals 10 minus, collect the like terms, minus 12. Take 12 to the other side. Now 2x equals minus 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 1, 2 1. X equals minus 1. I see x equals to minus 1. Y equals to 4. Now let's check. Let's continue with the third question. The third question says a plus 2b equals to 13. That's our equation 1. We have 2a minus 3b equals to 5. Equation 2. You can see that none of them are the same. Now so multiply equation 1 by, I want to pick 2 and 1 because there's 1 here and 2. Multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of a in equation in equation 2. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of a in equation 1. Now let's go ahead. What's coefficient of a in equation 2 is 2. 2 times a plus 2b equals to 13. And we're having 1 times a, there's 1 here, used to multiply the equation 2 throughout. 1 times 2a minus 3b equals to 5. When you do that, you see our equation 1, our equation 2. When you do a multiplication, you have 2a plus 2b equals 26. Equation 3. I'm having 1 times 2, that's 2a minus 3b equals 5. Equation 4. Now, what we need to do You should subtract from here. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. When you do that, you're having 2a minus here 2a minus 2a plus 2b minus another minus 3b equals 26 minus 5. 2a will cancel 2a. Negative times negative will give you positive. You're having 2b plus 3b. Okay. Now equals to 26 minus 5, that's 21. I have 2b plus 3b, that's 5b equals to 21. 5b equals to 21. Hope there's no mistake somewhere. Let's say very well. 2x, okay, we're here. A, 2b, 13, 2a, minus 3b, 5. 2 times a has 2a. Okay, we are multiplying 2. This one will be 4. Sorry, this one will be 4. How is it 4? When you multiply the coefficient of this by 2, coefficient of a by 1, you can see it will be 2a. 2 times 2, 4. And 2 times this, that's 26. 1 times 2a, 2a. 1 times 3, that's 3. Times 5, 5. That means that here, this one will not be 2b. This one will be 4b, sorry. 4b. 4b minus, as my another is positive, will be 4b. 4b, so will be 7b. Okay, divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. B equals 3. Now substitute B equals 3 in equation 1. Don't forget that equation 1 is a plus 2b equals to 13. Now have 2a plus 2 times b, which is 3, equals to 13. We're having 2a plus 6 equals to 13. 2a, collect the items. Okay, we're having 2a equals 13 minus 6, which is 2a now equals 13 minus 6. That's 13 minus 6, 7. Is a. So you have a. Isn't a? There's no 2 there. A. Now equation 1 does not have a because it does not have 2. That's 13 minus 6. which is 7, or A is 7. Therefore, A equals to 7 and B equals to 3. A equals to 7 and B equals to 3. Now let's see the fourth question. The fourth question. You see you have 2m minus n equals to 5. We're having 3m plus 2n equals to minus 24. Minus 24. What we need to do here is to see that none of the coefficients of m and n are the same. Let me pick the least one. Multiply equation 1, equation 2, multiply equation 1 by the coefficients of n in equation 2. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficients of n in equation 1. In that case, now say 2 plus 2 times 2m minus n equals to 5. That's our equation 1. This one is minus 1. Minus 1 times 3m plus 2n equals minus 24. Equation 2. Now let's get our equation 3. 2 times 2m, that's 4m. 4m minus 2 times minus n, that's minus 2n, because 2 times 5, that's 10. Equation 3. And you have minus 1 times 3, and that's minus 3m, minus 1 times 2n minus 2n equals minus 1 times minus 24, that's plus 24, equation 4. Now let's get the value of m and n. What you now do here, now say subtract equation, so that negative will be here. So now turn one of them to positive, so that I can cancel out. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. When you do that, you're having 4m. You're having 4m minus 3m. Come to this, minus 2n minus another minus 2n equals 10 minus 24. When you get that, negative and negative turn to positive. 4m plus 3m minus 2n, negative and negative positive, plus 2n equals 10 minus 24, that's minus 14. This will cancel out. We are having 7m equals minus 14. The variable side is 7. 7 cancels 7. Therefore, m equals minus 2. 7 here 1, 7 here 2. Don't forget the negative, minus 2. Now say substitute m equals minus 2 in equation. I pick any equation. I'm picking equation 1. In equation 1. In that case, you will be having 2 minus into bracket minus 2 minus n equals to 5. 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4, minus n equals to 5. Now let's take n. Okay, let's leave the n here. Minus n equals 5 plus 4 minus n equals 9. Multiply through by negative so that you turn this onto n, and this one will be minus 9. Therefore, our n equals minus 9. Our m equals minus 2. Now let's go to the fifth question. Fifth question says 4x plus 6y equals to 21. Equation 1. Okay. Equation 1. We're having 7x minus 3y equals to 3. Equation 2. In this case, I want to multiply. Okay, see that none of them are the same. I'm picking the quotient of y. If you like, you can pick 4 or 7. But now I want to use this. Multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1. In that case, it should be minus 3 times 4x plus 6y equals 21. So that's our equation 1. And use 6 here. 6 multiplied by 7. Okay, 7x minus 3y equals to 3. Equation 2. When you multiply, you have minus 12x minus 3 times 6, that's minus 18y equals minus 21 times 3, that's minus 63. Minus 63. That's our equation 3. And this one will be 6 times 7, which is 42. 42x minus 18y equals 18. Question 4. Okay, in this case now we have to introduce another negative. Let's put it in brackets. Now in this case, let's do the subtraction. We have minus 12x minus 12x minus 42xx. Pick this one also. Minus 18y. Next, when you pick this, you come here minus 18y equals to, return back to this, minus 63 minus 33 minus 18 minus 18. Now minus 12 minus 42, that's 54, minus 54 minus 54x minus 18y plus negative and negative is positive, plus 18y equals minus 63 18. Okay, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 6, 81. That's minus 81. This will cancel out. We are left with minus 54x equals to minus 81 divided by minus 54. Minus 54. Cancel out. X equals negative cancel negative. What can go? 3 goes in 8, 2. Mean that 3 goes in 21. That's 7. 3 goes in 5, 1. Mean that 3 goes in 24. That's 8. What can still go? 3 goes in 27. That's 9. 9. 3 goes in 18. 6. 3 goes in 9. 3. 3 goes in 6. 2. X equals 3 over 2. Which is equals to 1 number 1 over 2. That's X. Now let's get our Y. Substitute X equals 3 over 2 in equation. I'm picking equation 1. Equation 1, we now have 4 into bracket 3 over 2 plus 6y equals to 21. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. We're left with 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 6y equals to 21. Collect the like terms. 6y equals 21 minus 6. Okay, 21 minus 6, 6y equals 15. Divide both sides by 6. 6 cancel 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 6, 2. Is that okay? Let's put it like this. 3 here, 5. 3 here, 2. Y now equals 5 over 2, which equals to 2 number 1 over 2. Is the value for Y. Is the value for X. Now let's move to equation. Let's move to question 6. Question 6, which is 2x plus 12y equals to minus 7, equation 1. And we have 4x minus 4y equals to 7, equation 2. I'm picking the coefficients. You already have list value here. Now let's say multiply equation 1 by the coefficients of x in equation 2. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. Okay. When you do that, you're having 2x plus 12y equals to minus 7. Coefficient is times 4. That's equation 1. And also we're having 4x minus 4y equals to 7, equation 2. Now say times 2. So multiply it. You now have, what you now have is 8x plus 48y equals to minus 28. That's equation 3. The next one, we are having 8x minus 8y, 2 times 4 minus 4y, that's minus 8y, equals 2 times 7, that's 14, equation 4. Now say subtract equation 4 from equation 3. In that case, you're having 8 negative will be here, having 8x minus 8x, pick this, plus 48y minus another minus 8y equals minus 28 minus 14. 8x cancel 8x, having 48y, negative and negative is positive, plus 8y equals, let's add it, minus 28, that's just 28 plus 14, 2, that's 42, add minus 42, minus 42, 48 plus 8, that's 56, 56y equals minus 42, divide both sides by 56, 56 cancel 56, let's see what can go in these two values, 2 here, 2, 2 into 1, 2 here, 2, remainder 1, 2 in 16, 8, 7 here, 3, 7 here, 4, y equals to minus 3 over 4. Now let's substitute substitute y equals to minus 3 over 4 in, I'm picking equation 1. In equation 1, in that case, so in equation, what's our equation 1? Our equation 1 is 2x, let's write it 2x plus 12 open bracket minus 3 over 4 equals to minus 7. That's our equation 1. Now 2x 4a1 4a3 3 times minus 3, that's minus 9, equals to minus 7. Let's collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. Now 2x equals minus 7 plus 9. Minus 7 plus 9, that's 2. 2x equals 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2a1, 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 2a1. Our x is equals to 1. Therefore, our x equals to 1 and our y equals to minus 3 over 4. Okay? Alright, let's move to question 7 of the A part. Now, question 7, we are having 2a plus 5b equals to 2, equation 1. We are having 3a plus 2b equals to 25, equation 2. Now, can I multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of a, in equation 2. Also multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of a in equation 2. In that case, now write 2a plus 5b equals to 2. Use multiply by 3. That's equation 1. And also the second one, 3a plus 2b equals to 25, equation 2. Use these two to multiply the coefficient of a, equation 1 to multiply it. In that case, you now have 6a plus 15b equals to 3 times 2, that is alpha for multiply 3 times 2a, 6a, 3 times 5b, 15b, 3 times 2, that's 6, equation 3. Now 2 times 3a, that's 6a, plus 4b equals 2 times 25, that's 50, equation 4. Can I say subtract subtract equation 4 from equation 3. You have 6a, have a negative here, 6a minus 6a plus 15b, 15b minus 4b equals to 6 minus 50. This cancel out. 15b minus 4b, that's 11b. 6 minus 50, that's minus 54. Let's look at it very well. That's 50 minus 54. Oh, sorry, minus 44. Minus 44. 6 minus 50, that's minus 44. Now the variable side by 11. 11 cancel 11. B equals to minus 4. Therefore, okay, our B equals to minus 4. Now let's substitute B equals to minus 4 in equation 1. Equation 1, we now have 2a plus 5 into minus 4 equals to 2. 2a, 5 times minus 4, that's minus 20 equals to 2. 2a, collect the like terms, equals 2 plus 20. Negative 20 return to positive 20 when crossing the equal sign. We have 2a equals to 22. Divisible side by 2. 2a1, 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 2a11. A equals to 11. Therefore, our A equals to 11 and B equals to minus 4. Now let's move to the B part of the question. Let's move. The B part of the question says find x and y if 3 raised to power 2x minus y equals to 1. Don't forget that, okay, we now have another one which says 16 raised to power x over 4 equals to 8 raised to power 3x minus y. What we need to do that anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1, and you are having the base here to be 3. You now look for something similar of the same value as 3 to be here and raise it to power 0. That's why you now have 3 raised to power 2x minus y equals to 3 raised to power 0. 3 raised to power 0 is also 1. Don't write 4 raised to power 0, because when you write 4 raised to power 0, 4 is not the same as 3. Truly, when you write 4 raised to power 0, it's still the same thing as 1. But you have to look at what is written here so that it will be the same. Now, since you have that, you now have, for the first one, you have, since the base are the same, you now equate the power. You create a power. This is 0. Now equate the power. When you create the power, you now have 2x minus y equals to 0. Let's call that one equation 1. I'll turn it to equation. Let's come to the second part of this. See that this one is 16 raised to the power x. Let's raise it to power of 2. 2. Don't forget that you can come here if you don't know it. 16. 2 goes in 16, 8. 2 goes in 8, 4. 2 goes in 4, 2. 1. That's 2 raised to the power 4. Alright, 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4. X is there before. 4x over this one be 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 3. Now look at it, 8. 2 raised to the power, okay, 2 here 8, here 4. Is that okay? 2 raised to the power 3 will give us 8. 2 raised to the power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will give us 16. 2 raised to the power 2 will give us 4. Now 2 raised to the power 3, and you're having 3x minus y as the power before. Now bracket 3x minus y. Now let this one go up, it becomes 2 raised to the power 4x divided by 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 3 into 3x minus y. Now 2 raised to the power 4x in indices, division is negative. When you remove one of the two, you introduce negative 2 equals to 2 raised to the power. Let's open the bracket. 3 times 3x, that's 9x minus 3y. Now let's equate the power now. Let's equate the power since the base are the same. We're having 4x minus 2 equals 9x minus 3y. 3y, let's collect the like terms. We're having 4x minus 9x. Is that okay? This one comes like this, turn to minus 9x cross plus 3y. When minus 3y cross the equal sign, turn to plus 3y equals to minus 2. We move to the other side, we turn to 2. 4x minus 9x as minus 5x plus 3y equals to 2. You want to remove the negative here, multiply through by negative. You're having 5x minus negative and negative is positive. Negative times positive is minus 3y equals to 2. Equals to minus 2. So because minus 2 will affect this also. This is our equation 2. Okay. let's bring them together. Equation 1 is 2x minus y equals to 0. That's equation 1. Equation 2 is 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. Equation 2. Now I want to look for the value of x and y. I want to look for the value of x and y. Now say multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. Also multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. Since you have said so, now come here and say 5 times 2x, 5 times 2x minus y equal to 0. That's equation 1. And also 2 times 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2, equation 2. When you do that, 5 times 2x, that's 10x minus 5y equals to 0. 5 times 0 is 0. That's equation 3. 3 times 5x, that's 10x minus 6y equals to minus 4, equation 4. And now say subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Since you have it like that, you now say 10x minus, you have a negative here, 10x minus 10x minus 5y minus 5 minus 6y equal to 0 minus 4. This will cancel out. Of minus 5y plus 6y equals to negative and negative is positive, equals to 4. Minus 5y plus 6y, that's y. Means that you are having negative of 5. When you take it away from 6, you're having 1 left. Y. You're having y, which is equal to 4. Okay. Now substitute y equals to 4 in equation. Let's pick, you can pick any equation, but I'm picking equation 1, which is 2x minus 4 equals to 0. 2x equals to 4. Divide both sides by divide both sides by 2. Having 2x over 2 equals 4 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore, our x equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 2, or y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.